Hello everyone, welcome back to the live stream. Mm, okay. What do we have? Okay, just doing some quick settings over here so you guys can enjoy the rest of the live stream perfectly. And I guess my mic is good. Great. So let's start with the trade ideas or past trade we have taken. So let me just first tell you guys what trade we have taken in the today. Okay, if you guys can see my Discord group right now. Then this was the gold buy we have taken over here. I will explain in a bit why we have taken this buys, but yeah, you can see that I have posted here in the Discord group. But if you're not in the Discord group, just join it. You'll find the link in the description or somewhere. Let me just adjust this one. Okay. So why we have taken that buy on gold? We can see that price was ranging from yesterday after coming at this support on 4 hour. So what did I tell you? So remember, we have taken a sell over here, but we closed it. We closed it because there was I thought maybe it could reject or something, right? So I don't know why we have closed it, because most likely it was because price already moved this much up, and I was expecting that price, if New York session was starting up, so maybe because of that I was expecting maybe price can reverse, and this was just a small retrace of the this areas and could go up, right? So that's why our stop loss was really tight. So we closed our position, but after that price did fell till here. So here's the thing, okay, we didn't catch this move, but we catch this move. How did we do it? So I was looking at the bigger time frame as I just came online in London session. We're looking at the weekly time frame. We have breaken the low, retest this weekly level. Looking at the daily time frame over here, looking at the daily time frame over here, you can see that we have this zone over here, and yeah, but what price have not broken the low of the previous candle, yet it's still continue going up. So we are respecting the lows of this candle as well. That was a good confirmation for me to take the buys. At the same time, let me mark this level up properly. Okay, so yeah, I'll delete this one so you guys don't get confused on these areas. That why we have this. We're gonna mark on that. So we have these areas based on weekly and daily levels. Okay, so looking at this structure at that time, this structure was like breaking the lows, and this candle was reversing. Okay, so this was the last 1 hour candle. Look, if I go to here, this was this 1 hour candle that closed, and I was like, okay, let's go to a smaller time frame like 50 minutes or 30 minutes to take a look at the entry points. So I was like, okay, price is in a consolidation phase. If we get a break of this structure on 30-minute or 15-minute time frame, then I could look for buys. Okay, but we need a really good break of the structure. So I went to 15-minute time frame just to take a look that we had a break. So we had this break of the structure over here, and on that time I was doing some basic analysis that we had Asian session doing consolidation, and London session is just starting up, and we had a really huge consolidation since then. What if we break above and close bullish? Okay, so my entry point was, let's just jump to today. So this is all like we have closed partials, from all of the trades. So you can see all their trade are same at entry. So so what I did, this candle was not that good for me because this was a bullish candle. The another thing that gives me a good confirmation that we had a consolidation before breaking this candle. Okay. And I waited for next candle at least to close bullish. If this candle closed bullish, then I was okay to take the buys. So once this 15-minute candle closed bullish, I took the buy and put the stop loss below these areas. below these areas, and I was like, okay, what can we target here? So then I take a look at the 4 hour time frame that we have only half hour or 1 hour left for candle to close. So let's just jump into buys. So I was sure that after looking at this setup, that I was like, okay, price will definitely will move till at least this over here, this areas, and it did. So I started to close partials at around this areas. So once they then at the high, I closed almost all of my positions. So today on the phase one, we are up around 0.80% on the account. Right now, what we are looking for is we have a news at 6 p.m. or 6:30 something. So we're gonna wait for that and see what we can, do with that. Because otherwise, with if we do not get volume, if we get a breakup of this structure, yeah, we can look for buys, but mostly I'm looking for sells still, because taking a look at the daily time frame, we might get good reaction today. I think we might tap these levels. Let me remove this. So I'm expecting if we tap these levels around these areas, then I'm expecting we should see a rejection and continuation of the downtrend. So I'm expecting that this daily candle will flip bearish and close around this area, so we can get the whole move to the downside. But there is a lot of things that we need to check before taking that trade, because we already made 0.80% today. So I'm gonna wait, see what is the best trade I can get, and should I risk it or not? Okay, that's the main question I have. Should I risk my profit or not? So we're gonna wait around like 2 hours because we have news at that time. Let me just quickly check it out so you guys can. Okay, what do we have? Calendar 27th. We have yeah 6 p.m. So right now it's 4 p.m. After 1 hour, we will what we call New York session will start. So we'll see what kind of a volume New York session does bring, and if we do cover up the whole, because most of that time, what price do? In London session, gold move up, and in New York session, it correct the whole move and continue going down. Okay, so if we get that same thing here right now, that will be pretty amazing. So we can target like another like 0.50% or so. Yeah. So okay, we have 6 p.m. with the final GDP Q and Q. It's reported annualized format. Oh yeah, it's quarterly change. I think this okay, this is important. So if we get a better forecast on this one, we might be looking for based on that trade. So if this news is positive for USD, then it's negative for gold. If it's negative for USD, it's positive for gold. Simple as that. Okay. So we're gonna wait for numbers, see what we can do. Okay. That would be our trade. In the meantime, if we talk about GBP USD, let's go on a 4 hour time frame. Sorry, yeah, 4 hour time frame. Tomorrow, what did I tell you guys? We taken a yesterday. Let's go. Yesterday, we have taken a sell over here. You can see on GU, we have taken a sell here. Once is the break of the structure, I was expecting price will continue going down. At that time, I told you guys that we are expecting to create a new low over here. What did we do? Created new low. Okay. It was a simple technical analysis, no fundamental at the moment. Okay. What was the technical analysis? That we had in consolidation zone. Okay. On 1 hour, you can see that clearly. So what do I mean by consolidation? This was the consolidation zone. Okay. We had a huge bullish momentum, and we immediately close in the back into the range. What does that mean? That's mean a fake out. So when after that price started trending in a downtrend, so we had this low created, we took that out, we created new high. I was thinking, okay, if we did that once, if we are doing that again, that gives us a moment like, yeah, price will continue to trend to the downside. Even if you take a look at the daily time frame, what do we have? We are respecting the resistance over here, breaking the lows. So I was expecting that price could easily move down now till here. Okay, then we have next stop till here. So why is that? It's because if you take a look on a bigger time frame, like daily time frame, take a look here. Okay, we get one price hit up, coming back down at the same point, coming back up, coming down at the same point. So still, we are expecting that if this price do come back here, so pretty good, right? So based on that, we have taken a small sell zone over here. You can see, but yeah, pretty amazing trade on GU yesterday. Okay, we missed really good move on gold as well yesterday, but yeah, it is what it is. We don't care about that much. If we missed, we missed. There is nothing about it. We can get another trade like that. No problem with that. So yeah, that's it. Okay. Now, if you guys have any questions regarding that analysis or anything, put it down in the chat. We can discuss about that. Okay. So right now, what I'm looking for on gold, most likely we can start looking for rejections of these areas. But if we get a good amount of a rejection at this point here as well, then yeah. But it would be really good if we see a flip of 4 hour candle, first. So what I'm looking for is most likely a flip of this candle. If this 4 hour candle do flip, we can look for sells and target this lows here. Okay, that would be a really great entry point. But if we get a better entry point based on 30-minute or 15-minute time frame, why not? We'll surely take that trade. So we have an hour or so before we open a new session. Okay, before we open a new session, let me remove all the drawings so what you call we can mark some fresh areas. Let's go to weekly. What do we have? Weekly candle did break the lows. Now it's rejecting because of these areas. We're gonna mark it out a little bit. Okay, looking at the daily time frame, let's adjust this little bit. So yep, so we are bouncing off this zone. If we get a closure of this candle as a bullish candle, then yeah, okay, that's okay too. But keep in mind we have a monthly candle close this week, I guess, right? Yeah, tomorrow is Friday, so we'll get a closure of this candle. I mean, we can get some really good volume today or maybe tomorrow if price want to move, more lower than these areas. So yeah, we have a really good bullish momentum at the moment. So on 4 hour time frame, but we're gonna if we are looking for sells, that would be if this 4 hour candle do flip, a really good confirmation for us. So then what the candle can do is drive down till the slows over here we have. Okay, we can easily dive down till here. Let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame. What we have is we are approaching a really strong resistance zone. I'm gonna mark this out a little bit. So make it white. So we have this as a resistance zone on 4 hour, 1 hour time frame. This is the highest zone we can get, right? Yeah. So if we are looking for sells, if price do tap these zones or before that, I think even if we look for sells here, that's pretty good too, right? Because we have constant two resistance at the same point. Let's mark both of them out. Okay. Why I have marked them both is because we can reject from any of those. Okay. There is no doubt about it. So we can go up, reject, still go down, we can go up, further up, and then reject. So most likely, if we are looking for sells, first of all, we need to see a tap of the zone and a rejection. That could be a potential entry point. But before price do flip bearish, we need to see a little bit of consolidation. And if we do not get entry point over these areas, we can look for here. Once this 4 hour candle do flip bearish, then we can take a sell here, uh, where we can stop it. This could be the zone. Okay, we can, close it here. So that would be a really good entry point. What is this? Oh, how much better? Yeah, 0.50%, pretty good trade, right? So if we get a flip of that, we can take a trade there. Hey people, so sorry, I was doing something. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. We are still a little bit, as you guys can see, we did approach this resistance really good, but now we are seeing that volume is like getting weaker. Then I think most probably we will continue moving down sooner or later. Yep. So let's do this. Okay, we had another one. Let's head this area. Even if we get a break of structure of this area, we can take cells. So we can get an entry point there. Good, how are you? I have taken only one trade that was in London session. You can see here, this was the trade we have taken. That once we broken above, I already explained it when stream started, but I will do it again, no problem. So once the price did break above, I waited for like so current 30-minute and 15-minute candle did break above. So if I'm looking at this area, this count as a break, but I didn't enter here. I waited for another candle to close bullish. Then I entered when the break of the highs and put the stop loss exactly below this candle. And yeah, this was the trade till here. I closed all the position around this area. So currently we are up for the day 0.80%. So yeah, that was the trade taken. Give me a moment, guys. So yeah, right now we are waiting most likely to start off the NY session before taking any trades because we I already made around 0. What do you call 80% on the trade. So yeah, same trade I took for 30-minute closure and a break of the previous high. Yep, it was a pretty clean setup, so obviously why not? Right now, let's say we are approaching this resistance, okay? So if we do get a rejections, okay, then most likely what I'm looking for, there are two entry points, sorry, entry points that I'm looking for is first, if this 4 hour candle do flip bearish, that is the first one. If it flip bearish, then yeah, we can easily target the lows, and this could be 0.50% more that we can target. But yeah, pretty good setup on 4 hour time frame. But if I'm looking for based on 30-minute and 15-minute time frame, then another setup that I'm looking for is the break of this structure. And if we can do a small retest below this area, then I can target this lows over here. So that would be a pretty good setup. But keep in mind what I'm looking for is this current bullish candle on daily we have. I want that this candle will close around this area, something like this. I need a closure like this on daily. So if I'm expecting that, then we can see volume at 6 to 7 p.m. At 6 p.m. we have a news. So let's see what we can do. So I think we still have half an hour left for NY to start. Then we see. Okay. In the meantime, I'm looking at some areas of development that I can do in my way. I mean, did you guys know that what we call? I was looking at this, what we call, let me see, Bloomberg terminal, right? I don't know if you guys have heard about it or not. So this over here, this terminal we have over here, right? This is a this is like the all the news data we can get, like all the data we have till now. related to all the financial industries. Most likely, hedge funds do use it. So, you know, 1 year subscription of this thing is $2,000 to $5,000. Can you imagine? We can do request a demo, but like solution product, what we have data view enterprise, catalog data management, then we have trading overview. What do we have? I mean, I will do detailed research about this thing, surely. See if it's worth it for me. Because I do like to learn what we call fundamentals. So surely we'll take a look and see if we can do something. But if I'm looking for something better, like most likely when I look at the what we call data for Forex and stuff like that, this is a pretty good website too. Okay. Let's say if we are looking for commodities or what we call metals in this scenario, we have gold spot. So we are up around 0.60%. Let's just click and see what we can get on that. But we cannot see the news what we have. So yeah, this is the worldwide news you can get. Sorry. Let's say what do we have in Europe? What's going on? Top strategy and US defense. Okay. Another we have this. Like this is the best way to look at the news for now. Let's say what we are looking for FX, the largest high mobile operator to debut news on. What if we are looking for well, we have economic calendar here too. So let's see for today. Let's see for today what we have. Today is 27. Why filter? We only need an importance one that would be this and this. Apply. So yeah, we have here we have news. If I change this EST to my time zone, where we are, where we are. plus 5, right? Karachi, we have that. I think GMT5 would be that one. What do we have? Yeah. So this is the right time zone, 5:30. So you can see we have a news. This gives us a little bit better overview. Let's see. We have continuous jobless claim. Here we have more news than the Forex factory, I think. Let's compare. Final GDP like unemployment and stuff like that. What do we have here? We have unemployment. We have Fed. Are we looking at the right time? June 27. Yep, I think so. We are looking at the right time. GDP, yeah, we have here Q1. This is the forecast. This is the previous. Eh, Nice one, right? What do we have? What do we have in commodities? Let's take a look. Yeah. Yeah. What are we looking at on the gold right now is okay. Still yet we do not have much confirmation to take any trades. Okay. Okay, if you guys have any to ask in the chat, we will do a Q&A. If you have any questions regarding trading, a basic questions to whatever, ask away. We're gonna answer it today. If we do not have the answers, we're gonna go to the internet and find the answers. Okay. But yeah, whatever. Ask. Ask people, ask. Like if you guys have answer to this thing, like I have magic keys, but I tried to connect this thing to C Trader and it do zoom in, zoom out. But when I do open on, click on open trade, it don't open the trade. So I don't understand why. So need to check that out. Hmm. Give me a moment, okay? But yeah, if you have questions, I'll read the chat, okay? I'll read the chat. Mhm. Let's take a look here. Let's take a look, okay? Here we have our account. Go to matrix. We are entering into a matrix zone. So what do we have? We have our target is 7,000. Right now, most of our trades are on gold. 14 trades we have taken till now. Average win is $257. Average loss is 225. That's like 1 to 1 is to ratio. Win ratio 1.66, profit factor 5.2. I don't know if this is out of 10 or I don't know. Yeah, here you can see my trades. I like this interface. I like it. We have win rate of 63%, guys. For 1 week we've been trading till now. We have a win rate of 63%. Okay, let's see when at the time when we do hit the 7% target on this account. At that time, what are the win rates we have? Okay, that will be an amazing. The another thing that I like about this thing is we have certificate and verification, everything. Content hub. I don't know what do you mean by content. I think they have, yeah, they have their own thing. Okay, then we have economic calendar on this website. Pretty good, like pretty amazing. I didn't see this. I didn't see this. No, I don't think so. Other prop firm do add these things. Like I can see the news over here. I have another news feed which include all of the what we call platform we have for to check the news. Okay, then we have something to download. C Trader and MetaTrader 5. Then there is a blog post I for them. Yeah, this is previous site they had. But anyway, pretty good, pretty amazing. Like it. Give me a moment. I need to put the my drone into. Okay, where is it? Let me give me a moment. Okay. Hello everyone. Back. I'm back. Uh, and what what did we do? What did we do? We didn't do anything. Like it's been just 5 minutes, right? It's like when you start trading, this is how you do it. You just go out from the your PC, laptop, whatever you have, for 5 seconds, and you can be like, oh, what kind of move did the price do? So on GBP USD. What? Let's do the fresh analysis on this trade, guys. Do you have any analysis on GBP USD? Let's. If you have, let's share your charts here. We're gonna see what you got. What you got. Okay. In the meantime, if you do not have, that's fine. That's totally fine. I mean, I will do it for you right now. Okay. So we have already retraced a little bit over here. So delete this thing. Let's go to daily time frame. Let's zone things out. Let's put the zones right. So I think I will count this area as a consolidation because we have touched that zone twice, three times. Then we have break below. In looking at the 4 hour time frame, let's take a look now. Yeah, if we don't have this was our consolidation zone, then price break above, went down, coming back up. Now this is a not validated zone. So what we are looking for right now is this was the high we have on 4 hour time frame. This is the low we have on 4 hour time frame. Where price can go next on 4 hour time frame that we can target around. Based on this, we have here support, small support, pretty good. Based on 1 hour time frame, if we are looking for sells, price might go up a little bit more. How much we are looking for, right? We drop from high to low around 0.71%. That's 90 pips. If we are looking for a 50% retracement, how much that would be? Any guesses? We are already up 40. So I think even if we move around 47, 45 pips, we reject this area. That's what I'm looking for. If this reject or maybe this area reject, then sells till downside. Pretty good trade. But as we do not trade long-term thing, we are looking for a scalp. Okay. So we have two zones here. First zone, this. Let's fill it up. Let's do some color thing. Okay. I hope you have done it in when you were a child. If you have done it, then you know what I'm right. So this is the two rejections point that I'm looking at. That price will reject in this area, Any of these two might work. Let's see if we can get any rejections at this point before flipping bearish. Looking at the 4 hour time frame, even if we flip this 4 hour candle here we have, that would be pretty good trade. Nice one that we can go down till the support area. Let's go to 30-minute time frame. Yep, that's right. So same trade idea that we have on gold. If the 4 hour candle do flip from here, then we are looking for sells. But if we find a better sales entry at this resistance points, then we'll take a look at that. Okay, sounds good or not? Did you know, guys, that if you want to go into any hedge fund or to learn things, like for an example, from myself, I still like to learn. I still like to know more about the financial markets. So if I do like to learn more about these things, then there is a program. I think what's a CFA. That would be the name. Okay, let me show you this CFA program. This is a Chartered Financial Analytics. Pretty tough. It's a pretty hard thing to pass out, I guess. But yeah, I'm looking to get into it. Let's see. Not sure though. As I need to learn more because of that only, okay? Because I know online it give me informations, but what inside information I can get, or you can say like people have experience with it. For an example, there's a a lot of hedge funds, right? Even if I get any into any of them, I can get real experience because I know like I can trade here, but if there's a big if, I need to see like what are the differences that we trade here and there. What are the differences on both things? That's a big question I have. Do we have any differences? Question? Do we? Or is all the same? Well, I guess you guys don't talk, so I'm not gonna keep talking. Otherwise, I'll be like, yeah, this guy's crazy. He just keep talking. So today's Malaysia event. Raja is hosting an event in Malaysia right now. Great. I just I just saw something that it mentioned that there is a guy in Mexico, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, somewhere in Mexico that he's selling heaven's land for hundred square meter or something. I don't know what how much, but for $100. Like you can GPay, I mean you can use whatever transaction you can do. Like there's a crypto. People are crazy. Like they are selling that things that it's not even theirs. Oh boy. Okay, what do we have? Interesting. Oh, should we do analysis on GJ? I mean, like, I don't want to be honest. I guess we will leave GJ out of the game. It's is the best decision, right now. Looking at this wicks, two huge wicks. I don't know why. We got how much? Ooh, I mean, as we are not right now, we have 1 hour left, I guess, or tries to go do something. It is five, so I think we should have been in New York session now. Isn't that right? Five, it's 5 p.m., right? Why are we not in a session? I think we have still 5, 10 minutes. How much time we have for 4 hours? 1 hour candle? Okay, next 1 hour candle. Okay. So yeah, I think we will do a bit of a consolidation for 2 hours. Hmm. I guess we see the trade idea in next 1 hour if we get any momentum. Should we play a game? Guys, would you like to play a game? As long as we are just waiting here. And that sounds like that might be off. That sounds like that my bomb will go off right here, right now. What was that sound from? From this. I mean, like, what do we have? Oh, we have an update. That's right. That's why we have an update. And battery little bit heat up. We're gonna put it here. We're gonna let it be. I'm checking something. Just to Yeah, I'm looking at the big time frame right now. I'm sorry, trade right now, but not getting any good trades. So I'm doing some little bit of a research about something that might interest me. Sorry, people. I think something I said. What is that? Only of you. Okay, gold is approaching the resistance. Here's the thing, okay? As NY session has been started in like 5 to 10 minutes. So what I'm expecting, if we get a bullish momentum to the upside, and after that we drop, should we like take another buy, put stop loss? But I don't think so. That doesn't look good. Now I'm gonna stick for sells. I'm gonna wait for the sell entries. Not looking for buys at the moment. Otherwise, we will wait for the news before taking a trade. Okay. Look at that. Like, I think we will approach this resistance before moving any forward or We have, where is the 1 hour candle, man? Oh, 18 minutes. We have 80-minute closure in 1 hour candle. So in next 18 minutes, if this candle do flip bearish and close bearish, pretty good trade. Okay. Give me a moment. I'm doing something, looking for something actually. So we just tap the zones, okay, and now rejecting. So we have 15 minutes left. I guess 15-minute candle will be closing just in 27 seconds. So if this candle do closure like bearish or something like that, expecting next candle to drop. So if we get a break below these areas, you can expect that price will still continue going down. Let's see. Oh boy. Sometimes I just do not understand why these things doesn't work. I know what you guys are thinking, right? That why I'm doing this thing because I'm doing a calibration. Okay, it's done. Okay, yeah, things are working good. We have updated this thing. I'm gonna just put it back right now because okay. Gold is still approaching the high like twice. We have how much left? We have 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes left for the 30-minute candle to close. Let's see how this candle do close. If we get a closure like this, I'm expecting that next candle could retest and continue going up to the next zone. So let's see. And half an hour we have the news. So we see if the news before the news or after the news what we can get. Yeah, as I expected. Even if we get a closure above these areas, I'm expecting that price could go to the next level. So we can take a small scalping buy that is like let's increase a little bit. Let's increase to 2. Okay. If we get a closure above and next candle do like to continue going up, we can target around 0.70% on this. Okay. We got closure in 2 minutes 59 seconds, or before that we can see that price could, go up. Or maybe if we have already moved this much, do you guys think that we can move more than that? I mean, I doubt it. I really do doubt it that we can, move today. But oh, I forgot that we have just in half an hour. So yeah, with that news, I'm expecting we should have enough volume that price could move down till here, right? In 1 minute, we will have a candle closure, 30-minute time frame. Let's see. I do not think so that I would be looking for buys on this trade. Okay, even if I am looking for trade, that would be one lot size only. Yeah, I was using 1.5 or 1.70, but right now we're gonna use a small lot size. The only reason I'm saying that because we made the profit, so I'm not gonna use a bigger lot size, right? we got closure, but it's at the range and we got no bottom wick on the current candle. So even if we go to the top, we most likely will reject and close below. Oh, actually, I forgot that we started. Sorry. Yeah, I don't know why I'm yawning so, but so as I was saying that we had New York session have been started. We can see that there is a good amount of volume. Hmm. So we have half hour, and so I'll be back in 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. Keep in mind what we are still looking for is a sell on gold. If we are looking for buys, I would have till now taken a buy, another buy. But yeah, I'm looking for a rejection point from here or here. If you do not get that, I'm not gonna take the buys. And if you are looking for a rejections, then after that we need to see the break of structure to continuation of the buy. And yeah, sorry, sell. So be back in 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Hello everyone. What you guys doing? What you guys doing? Where are we? Okay. Uh, so, what are we looking for right now? Is a sell. We have 10 minutes before price could see. We could see some momentum. So, what we are looking for is price have broken above these areas. So now we are coming up to these zones. This retracement based on 1 hour time frame. Okay, we are rejecting that zone based on 1 hour. So if we flip bearish, I think this will be our first confirmation. If we flip bearish from here, the price will continue going down. And if this candle close bearish, that's a second confirmation for our entry point. And based on 30-minute time frame, we need a break of structure of this area. Okay, simple. We need a closure bearish candle of this in next 8 minutes, and next candle should close below this area before taking a sell. I just seen now that my live stream is at, I mean, the quality of it. It's like 720p max it goes. I didn't know that. Maybe, I don't know, I will adjust it or do something about that. It is because of my monitor, maybe. Let's see. We have news, I think, in next, what do we call, 7 minutes? Yep. So we have, this is the last. So next candle will be the last 30-minute candle. So looking for sells will be a little bit of now hard, but let's see what we can get in the last 30 minutes. We have new in some time. Give me a moment. Hello. Okay, I'm back. So we have 30-minute candle, you know, yeah, 5 minute more, brother, 5 minutes more. We have this candle is closing bearish. So this candle rejection will be a good sign that when we get the volume, we might expect the momentum to the downside. Okay, because now we have touched this resistance, and based on 1 hour, we have rejected this resistance. So I'm expecting that price should continue going a little bit down and see some retracement at this moment. Keep in mind, if we do not see volume after 3 minutes, that means that we will get volume in at 7:30 p.m. So that would be 1.5 hour, I guess, after the news. And even if we get the news that do take this resistance over here, we have price then continuation till next this zone. Let me just mark it out so we do not. I think I can see some, or maybe this. This is the first week it could easily reject. So let's see. We got sometimes 2 minutes, 10 seconds. So if we break below these areas, okay, let's take a look at a 15-minute time frame. What do we have? Hmm. I think for the first 5 to 10 minutes, maybe we could see some, price going up, reject, then push down. But who knows? That's a prediction that I'm expecting it. Let's see. 1 minute, 30 seconds. This candle is flipping bearish. So as 1 hour, right? Yeah, 1 hour is flipping bearish as well. Eighteen seconds. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we got pressure, bullish momentum. See, as I said, if we touch this zone, yes, we have no bottom wick. Keep in mind, we have no bottom wick. So most likely if we reject and break below, then I'm looking for sells, okay? So if we flip bearish from here, we are looking for sells. Uh, I don't know. Wait a second, we are reconnecting or something? Ah, shit. Okay, we are good. We are good. Let's put the same thing again. So if we break the low again, looking for cells, okay? What do we the how's the number? Let's first let me I'm looking at the numbers, okay? Let me share with you guys. So we have 100 billion. So I mean this is good for currency. Okay, we got some pretty bad news on what we call for the USD, then it's good for gold. So most likely we will push to the upside before going to. So I'm gonna remove my sell stop here because numbers fundamentals based on gold is looking good. So even if I'm looking for sell, then I'm gonna wait for this break of structure before taking any sells at the moment. I don't understand why at the time of the news this thing is doing like that. Is it because of my Wi-Fi again? It should not be. So we got new in this is the last 30-minute candle for 4 hour and 1 hour candle to close. What we're gonna do, we're gonna you guys can wait for that and see what how's the next candles are reacting on that. Okay. For now, I'm not taking any trade. I'm gonna wait at the moment. I'm not taking any sells at the moment because we might see some wick rejections and before continue going down. So if we do a small retracement here, we are still. And the another thing is that taking a sell right now is risky because my stop loss would be really far. If I take a sell on the break of the low, I need to put stop loss above this 0.50% to take the risk, and price could zoom out. It could just next candle open and break the highs again and then lose, then go around. So not what I'm looking for at the moment. As I told you, my scenario was pretty clear that if we get the break of the structure or rejection of these areas before that, then we can take the trade. But right now, that is not playing out. So I guess if you want to stick with us, join our Discord group. I'm gonna update you guys there if I take any trades or if I'm looking at the market. But for now, I'm done. I need to go today. So yeah, see you in the next live stream. Hope you enjoyed it here. Today we made around 0.80% on this funded account. I see you in the next live stream. Thank you for being part of this amazing trading journey. We keep learning, we keep pushing. Bye.